Let's talk about KitchenCraft non-stick round paper cake tin liners, 20 cm pack of 40. Bake springy Victoria sponges, not tinous chocolate gateaux or rich red velvet cakes without worrying that they'll stick to the tin. Forget about messy greasing with added fats. Just pop the siliconized liner in the pan, add the mixture and bake for crumble-free sides. No need to dread washing up when you've finished. Simply peel the liner off and pop it in the bin. Serving snacks at a party or buffet? Pop a liner in the snack bowl, and save time on cleaning up. Oven safe to 250°C 482°F. The overall reviews averaged at 4 stars, so I didn't bother to read the 1-star reviews. And it is exactly as they say, the sizing is all wrong and the liners are too small for an 8 tin. The base measures only 16 cm, so not sure where they get their 8 size from. If you squash them in, this brings the sides down and makes them only suitable for very shallow cakes useless. Very disappointed. These state that they fit an 8 tin, but in fact the base only measures 6 across. If you put them in an 8 tin, you lose most of the sides. Have given 2 stars as I can use them in my smaller tin and too much hassle to send them back, but not what I wanted at all. Even though cheap product should still fulfill its purpose. I ordered a 8 cake liner. You can see you photo that base is 6. Does not fit an 8 cake tin either. What a waste of money, would not recommend. Very disappointing.